Hello, I'm Bretton, one of our MCAT tutors here at Inspira Advantage, where we help students get into med school and other professional programs. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring key sociological concepts related to socialization, norms, and deviance. By understanding these concepts, you'll gain insights into how the individuals internalize society's expectations and how to navigate acceptable behavior. Let's get started. Starting off with socialization itself. This is the process of internalizing the social norms and values expected in one's society. Through socialization, individuals learn how to behave and interact with others, shaping their identity and roles within a community. Moving into sanctions, which are the rewards and punishments given for certain behavior. There are 4 types that are really key for the MCAT. We've got positive sanctions, which are rewards for desired behavior, such as a praise or promotion. Then we have negative sanctions. These are punishments for undesired behavior, like fines or criticism. Then we have formal sanctions. These are official rewards or punishments, like a salary raise or a prison sentence. And then we have informal sanctions. These are unofficial sanctions that occur in everyday lives, like asking someone to lower their voice in a movie theater, looking at somebody with a side eye, or sniffing if somebody smells bad. The point is, these are dished out by the people, not from a centralized authority. And you'll be sanctioned if you violate norms. Norms determine the boundaries of acceptable behavior within society. There are 3 types of norms you need to know for the MCAT. We have mores, which are informal norms with major importance for society, and if broken, severe sanctions may occur. For example, drug abuse is not socially acceptable. We also have folkways, which are another informal norm that are less significant but still shape everyday behavior, like holding a door open for someone. Next, we have taboos. Taboos are behaviors considered unacceptable by almost every culture, such as cannibalism or incest. Next, we have stigma and deviance. Stigma is the extreme disapproval or dislike of a person or group based on perceived differences from the rest of society. So in this example, everyone's black except for this one red person. So this red person is going to be stigmatized against. And deviance. Deviance is the violation of norms, rules, or expectations of a society. So we would say that criminals are deviant. Speaking of criminals, let's slide into differential association theory. This theory posits that deviance can be learned through interactions with others. People may commit crimes or deviate from norms because of their associations with other people who exhibit deviant behavior. So for example, if you are a generally good person, but then you start hanging out with gangs, you're more likely to then become a gang member yourself and commit crimes. Part of the reason for this has to do with social influence, specifically conformity, compliance, and obedience. These concepts are relating to how individuals adapt their behavior to fit in with a group or society. There are 3 levels to this. First, we have conformity. This is changing our beliefs or behaviors to align with a group or society's expectations. Next, we have compliance, which is changing our behavior based on the requests of others, like following a dress code at work. Finally, we do obedience, which is a change of behavior based on a command from someone else seen as an authority figure, such as following a police officer's order. Understanding concepts like socialization, norms, and deviance can help us make sense of how individuals internalize society's expectations and navigate acceptable behavior. These concepts are incredibly important on the Psych Soc section, so thank you so much for watching our video, and I will see you next time.